So what we're using is some PL foam board right here. We are applying this to the wall to minimize the vibration pretty much between the foam and the outside sheeting of the aluminum. So that will also give it a little bit more rigidity on the sheeting itself. So that's what we're using this for. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put boards on all the 1x1s to create thermal bridging. So we have no moisture building up essentially inside the walls once they're covered up. I do not typically plan on being in a cold environment anyways, but even in a hot environment there can be moisture buildup, and we're trying to minimize that or pretty much avoid it altogether. So we're on to day 3 of insulating the camper. We're slowly getting along, as you can tell. Unfortunately, this isn't even halfway done because we have to do 2 layers. So layer number 1, 75% probably. Still have to do the ceiling, and we still got to go and grab some more. We have, I don't know, like 24. I grabbed 24 of the 2x8 foot pieces, and then I grabbed 8 of the 4x8 foot pieces of the 1 inch. It's gonna be pretty pricey. Anyhow, let's get going on this. We got a pile of insulation right there. Let's get going on the ceiling. That's how easy it is. So what's going on, everybody? we are still insulating. I am already sick and tired of this. Once you think it's going to take you a week, it takes you 2. And then you forget some things. But we are insulating. So let's get going on this second layer. It's already really warm in here. I'm heating this with a little Chinese diesel heater, and I'm surprised it's been ripping and it's burning all sorts of fuel. So finally, we are complete with the insulation. The only thing that's left is to spray foam the bottom, the floor essentially. But we're gonna have to do that once the plumbing and the electrical is complete, since there's a few lines going in and out of the floor. So we are just in time with completing this. We have cold front coming in here in Western Canada. It is already minus 10 degrees Celsius currently, and it's keeping nice and warm. We got a little Chinese diesel heater that I've had for years taken away. We'll put a link for that in the description. And yeah, it is supposed to be minus 26 tonight. That's gonna be pretty interesting. I'm curious how it's gonna keep up. So for anyone interested, we kind of have our value of 10 on the ceiling, and then we have our value of 9.5 on the walls, and we're gonna have our value of 20 on the floor. So that's quite warm and should keep us nice and cold in hot weather situations as well. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.